You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French physician and musician. For more names from French history and different physicians, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Alright, so let's break it down. That's his full name. René Théophile Hyacinthe Laënnec. That's his full name. René Théophile Hyacinthe Laënnec. Generally said as simply René Laënnec. René Laënnec. You could say it as René Laënnec. René Laënnec. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.